And a 9th athlete has been added. Kenyatta Great of the British Virgin Islands added to the field. She'll go in lane 9.
Alana Reid, the outstanding 10-9-2 winner of the Boys and Girls Championships in Jamaica. Another outstanding favorite, lines up in lane number 5.
Confirmation of the list, Shatalia Dorset, silver medalist at the under-17 level last year in lane 1. Lane 2, Giolina Downdy in the under-17 final last year as well. Christelle Martindale of Barbados in 3. Sana Frederick, Trinidad and Tobago 4. The favorite, Alana Reid, Jamaica 5. Alexis James, Jamaica 6. Lanika Locker, Antigua and Barbuda in 7. And the second Bahamian in the lineup, Amari Pratt.
No Adeja Hodge, that's unfortunate. And James and Frederick have qualified comfortably. Frederick looking very strong at the end of her races. She's 4.95 lane number 4 from Trinidad and Tobago.
Love the look of Frederick. Can't sleep on her. But Alana Reid is class.
In the field too, Chantalia Dorset, second in the under-17s last year to Hodge, has made it to the final under 20 in her first year in the group.
Under 20 girls 100 final. Lane 4, Sana Frederick, Trinidad and Tobago. 11:52 to get into this final. Second fastest, 11:54. Alana Reid in her semi-final, but she was cruising from about 50 meters out.
That was a stroll. She'll go faster now in the final.
Under 20 girls 100 final. Off they go. Alana Reid got up well for Jamaica. Reid pulls to the front. Alana Reid in control. Alexis James tries to go with her. She can't. Alana Reid blows the field away. 10:94 on the clock. 11:17 it has been adjusted to. Alana Reid produces a super performance, and outside of the controversial record on the books, 11:03 by Aileen Bailey and Tamika Clark, this is the fastest we've seen electronically timed in the history of the Caribbean Games. Alana Reid strikes gold. Jamaica finishes 1-2.
This is a super season for Alana Reid. Big double at Boys and Girls Championships, and here unprecedented hurried in the 100 final. James, the World Junior 100 hurdles second placer, second here, and Jamaica goes 1-2. Frederick a little further back in the pack, can have a great run, but Reid on top and in charge.
Get another look at it to confirm the bronze medalist. The Bahamians with 2 in the final. Frederick of Trinidad and Tobago favored to have a medal here. The Jamaicans tearing away, and Frederick came through to take bronze for Trinidad and Tobago. And there you have it. Negative 1.0 meters per second, the wind speed as well. 11:17 for Reid, 11:53 for James. Frederick, 11:65 to take the bronze medal. Alana Reid is by trackside.
Here with your gold and silver medalist for the under 20 women's 100 meters. Your gold and silver medalist from the under 20 women's 100 meters, Alana Reid. You followed up an incredible performance at Champs with this gold medal. What does it feel like?
To be honest, it's something that I've been working towards. It was just for me to come out here and do my utmost best. I did just that, and I'm honestly pleased with the outcome.
And for you, Alexis, to be able to secure this silver medal in front of your home crowd that followed you here, tell us what this feels like, what this moment is for you.
It's a good feeling because I have some pains I have to deal with right now. So it's a really good feeling to be second place winner here.
Jamaica goes 1-2 in the under 20 women's 100 meters.
What a race! What a super performance! Two young and brilliant Jamaican sprinters, Alana Reid and Alexis James, just left the entire field in shock, proving once again why Jamaica is the sprint capital of the world. Yeah, Jamaica is the real powerhouse in sprinting world. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Please like the video. Yeah man, today we are diving into one of the most electrifying track and field event under 20 girls 100 meter final 50th Califta Games in Bahamas back in the year 2023. And guys, believe me, this is one of the most electrifying 100 meter final you will ever witness. The spotlight was on two rising Jamaican stars, Alana Reid and Alexis James. And trust me, they did not disappoint. From the gun to the finish line, it was pure dominance. But guys, what shocked the stadium most is the brilliant execution from Alana Reid. And guys, tension was very high in the stadium. The starter's pistol fired and immediately Alana Reid exploded out with lightning fast reactions. Within the first 30 meters, the race was practically over. Alana Reid leading, Alexis James chasing her steps. Their acceleration was unmatched. Alana Reid winning gold in 11.17 seconds and Alexis James, also from Jamaica, securing silver in 11.53 seconds. Trinidad and Tobago, Sana Frederick settling for bronze in 11.65 seconds. Bahamas, and remember the year the host, Sanaya Dossard finishing in 50th position in time of 11.90 seconds. Guys, it was such a very impressive track and field event, women's under 20 100 meter final at Califta Games 2023. Yeah man, Alana Reid showcased her trademark power and smooth stride, while Alexis James brought incredible drop and speed. Side by side, they left their competitors fighting for the minor positions. And guys, you will all agree with me, this was not just a win, it was a statement. Jamaican sprint dominance is not slowing down anytime soon. And with talents like Alana Reid, Alexis James, the future looks unstoppable. And I know you will all agree with me. Remember, these young upcoming athletics, among others, Tia Clinton, Brianna Williams, will all participate in the much anticipated World Athletics Championships 2025 in Tokyo, Japan, which are kicking off from September. Remember, these young and brilliant athletes will compete with their main rivals, the USA and the world at large. I can't wait to see how things will unfold. So guys, keep it locked here, because definitely I'll bring to you all those events as they happen. And guys, tell me what your thoughts about the upcoming World Athletics Championships. Will Jamaica athlete perform as their fans and Jamaican predict or are expecting? At the comment section down below here, let me know. And guys, thank you so much for your precious time. Thank you so much for clicking in. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if it's your first time coming across this channel, I go by the name Andy News. Kindly like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free of charge. Hit the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we have a new videos. And to all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always come back to watch my video. And allow me guys to much welcome our new subscribers. I noticed that we have so many new subscribers. Welcome, and thank you so much for your subscription. May our Heavenly Father bless you. Bye bye for now.